You're watching Lola TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular Nollywood actress Lola Idije praises God as she is a year older. The actress relocated to Canada to continue her acting career. Give thanks to Almighty as she becomes first brand ambassador for Fashion by Aladuke. Lola also sacrificed to take care of late actress Aisha Tabimbola's children since her death.
Welcome aboard our very first ambassador. Welcome to Fashion by Aladuke. Thank you. Thank you.
Sharing the video on her Instagram page, she wrote,